In the sphere of education, AI ushers in a new era of personalized learning. By tailoring educational content to individual students' needs, AI adapts the pace and difficulty level to optimize learning outcomes. Meanwhile, large behavior models assist in grading assignments, liberating educators from the time-consuming task of manual grading. Furthermore, artificial general intelligence powers virtual tutors, providing students with personalized guidance and explanations, making learning more accessible than ever before. Turning to manufacturing and automation, the precision of AI and quality control is unmatched. AI systems meticulously inspect products for defects, with a level of accuracy no human eye can achieve. In supply chain optimization, AGI transforms logistics and inventory management, ensuring efficiency and reducing waste. Additionally, AGI-powered robots take over repetitive tasks, revolutionizing production lines with speed and precision. In healthcare, the stakes are high, and AI rises to the challenge. AGI assists in medical diagnosis and crafts personalized treatment plans, potentially saving lives through precision medicine. Large language models sift through vast data sets to accelerate drug discovery, while AI systems continuously monitor patients' vital signs, ensuring timely medical interventions. In the world of finance and banking, AGI revolutionizes algorithmic trading by optimizing trading strategies for maximum profitability. Large language models enhance security by detecting suspicious transactions, preventing fraud. Moreover, large behavior model-powered chatbots handle routine customer inquiries, improving service efficiency and customer satisfaction. Lastly, in the boundless frontiers of space exploration and science, large language models process astronomical data, uncovering secrets of the cosmos. AGI not only simulates cosmic phenomena, but also powers robots that explore distant planets, expanding our knowledge and reach in the universe. As we have seen, the transformative power of AI across different sectors holds immense potential. From personalizing education to exploring outer space, AI's capabilities are vast and varied. As industries continue to evolve with these technologies, the focus will increasingly shift towards roles that emphasize creativity, problem-solving, and ethical decision-making. The future beckons with the promise of AI as a pivotal force in shaping our world.